The stinker, huh? Let's get some video of the stinker. What are you sitting up all by yourself? Are you sitting up all by yourself? You're doing such a whoop. There she goes. You ready to come up? You want to get up? Let's get you back up. Up you go. See, that's what the pillows are for, but you're supposed to aim for them. Okay. You ready? Okay. I'm going to stand you up. Don't go for the camera. It's coming back over here. Oh, you like the camera. You're doing such a good job. Wait till Daddy sees this. Wait till Daddy sees this. Oh, are we going to lose you? Whoop. There you go. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Whoop. You ready? Are you taking a break on me? You want to hold on? I'll pull you up. There you go. Oh, you let go. Come on. Here you go. Oh, here. Let me get you. I'll resituate you. Okay. This is hard to do this camera work whenever. Okay. Oh, there. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're doing a lot of burping. Whoop. Okay. There you go. That's a good job. Whoop, down low, back up. You got your taggy. Whoop, down low. Where are you going? Are you coming back up? All right, big girl. You want this orange taggy right there? There you go. There you go. Whoop. What are you doing down there? What are you doing? What are you doing down there, silly girl? Huh? All right. I just wanted to be able to show Daddy. His big girl sitting up. There you go. You like those